Lenovo's ThinkPad P52S is a slim but power-packed mobile workstation. Lenovo has revealed a pair of fresh ThinkStation offerings, alongside a new ThinkPad which the company notes is the thinnest and lightest quad-core workstation notebook it has ever made. Let's start with the latter, the ThinkPad P52S, which crams plenty of power into an Ultrabook-style portable. We're talking an 8th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 quad-core processor, Nvidia Quadro P500 graphics, up to 32GB system memory, and on the storage front, up to a 1TB NVMe SSD and 2TB spinning disk. All this fits into a laptop which is 19.95mm thick and weighs 1.95 kg, which in the workstation world is nicely portable indeed. The IPS display can be a Full HD model, or optionally you can plump for a 4K resolution, or a Full HD touchscreen. There's an option on a fingerprint reader for extra security, too. Lenovo also notes that battery longevity is a strong suit with this notebook, stating that, Lenovo's Power Bridge technology provides all-day power, allowing you to work seamlessly, without the hassle of recharging. No claimed battery life figures have been given at this point, though. Thinking bigger. Moving on to the ThinkStation Tower PCs, the first is the P520, which is backed up by a more compact machine in the form of the P520C, and these are mainstream single CPU workstations. Both can be equipped with an Intel Xeon W series processor boasting up to 18 cores and speeds of up to 4.5 GHz. With the P520 you can specify up to 256GB of system memory, and a pair of Nvidia Quadro P500 graphics cards. It will also accommodate up to 8 system drives. The system's tower case measures 455 by 165 by 440mm, WXTXH. As for the P520C, that allows for up to 128GB of system RAM, a single Nvidia Quadro P500 graphics card, and up to 6 system drives. Its tower case measures 175 by 426 by 376mm,